YouTube, what's happening? CJ the detail guy. I'm at the crib, in the garage. You see where I say Oldsmobile parking on. So I'm in here with Patience. Patience is all completed. She's all completed, and I'm gonna show y'all today finished product from where she got repainted, put back together, and the whole interior and everything put back in it. So I'm just give y'all a quick overview of her. I pulled her out the garage already. Got her just sitting in the driveway. So I'm gonna let y'all get a quick look at her. I ain't gonna say too much tonight. I'm gonna just film her. She out there chilling. But let me show y'all Patience 2026. So of course y'all know what's under the hood. Got that LS 60. She running good, driving good, ain't got no issues with it. And I did this myself, y'all. I built this myself with the help of the machine shop. But pulled it out the truck myself, pulled it out the vehicle myself. The motor was under 100,000 when I got it. I rebuilt it to brand new specs and put on it everything you see on it. My buddy helped me with the wiring, but everything else you see I did myself, from the suspension to the rear ends to everything. So that's what's in there. You got the brain here. You can see it. Cooling in the corner. Everything good on. And I got the counter hood. Most people should. Just drop it. Close. Line up like you're supposed to. Alright. Let's see what we got in the inside though. Let's see what we got. So finally was able to get the door panels put all on. So everything's on her. Dash all done. Stereo in. She push button. Got my lights. Buttons for lights. Open this up. I got my fuel. Button for fuel. Turn my fuel pump on and run that. Prime the motor before I do anything. In the back, she fully done all the way through the back. All the panels, rear deck, seats. Got little speakers in the seats. Carpet's done. Got the floor mats in there. It's all done. Changed out my window switches. I got the power switches, the up-to-date switches. Kept the locks. Kept my mirror adjust. So that's good. See that? Let's go to the trunk. There's a lot going on in there, y'all. A lot going on, so I ain't gonna show you too much of that. Come around here, passenger side. Door panels all on. Everything done inside. Y'all know that console, I built it myself. Let's look at the back. Everything done. Back seat, you see the panels over there. Oh, and my T-top panels all been done as well. Visors up. See them panels, all good. Got the suede roof in there as well. Everything, seat belts, everything. Seat belts new, seat belts done. Rear lights working. The corner dome lights over there, they working. hood. Got your glove box good. Glove box good. Everything put back together like it's supposed to. Got speakers down low. I didn't put no speakers in here, but I got all my kicks. All of those are done. My kick panels, you can see over there. Kick panels done as well. That silver thing you see right there, that's the high beam, low beam. Just push with your foot. Cut your high beams on and off. Being as though I don't have that stuff on my column. That's a custom column there, so got that done. I don't know what that is smeared on here. Need to get something clean that off. But I got cup holders, lighted cup holders. It was too bright, so I took one out. Just made that a regular cup holder, and this one a lighted cup holder. Cause it had the car lit up all the time. I ain't really like that. So fresh T-tops. Fresh T-tops. If y'all can remember the video a long while ago where I redid these tops. So they fresh everything all the way around on them. Even got the T-tops wrapped. So that's all new metal and rubber up in there. So ain't no playing with that. Ain't no playing with that. So she closed on down. That shit lock on back in place. Alright. Everything good on that. So let's look at the outside. See the doors closing, right? And that's with that fresh door moldings on there, the rubbers. I got fresh all the way around the whole car. The doors, everything. You see them windows is up. Inside the blowouts, they inside of it. Everything good. Right? So let's look at the car. But this is after it was repainted. I have wet sanded, buffed the car all the way out. Got all the little trash off the paint. I put the whole car back together, and I did the pinstripe myself in my shop. So look at that. You see everything put back on. You see that paint? It has been ceramic coated now, so it's been buffed. Put the emblems on. Everything's good on. Good. I ain't got much sun right here. If I had a little more sun, you could really see it pop. But put the front end back together on it. The grills are in. I see that hood. Metallic in there. Pinstripe wheels. Put all the chrome back on the bottom. All the clips, everything is in it. There's no screws. But guys be putting screws all in their panels. Just buy the clips, they cheap. They don't cost that much. You could probably get you a spare set, which is what I did. You get you some spares. Put all your trim back on. That's what I did. Put all my trim back on, and I got some spares. I put all the little Oldsmobile stuff back on. Locks all new. Of course, y'all know I got the lights, the quarter top lights. They call those cathedral lighting or whatever they call it. I don't know what they call it. You can look at that trunk. You see how she looking? She nice and wet. Nice and wet. Got something on the back here. know what that is. I'll get it later. But she looking good. Sun's starting to come out. You kind of can see it. Remember this trunk area? Got that fixed, all fixed. Cause remember that had the camera in it, so that hole's been fixed. All that bubbling that it had, all that's gone. None of that. All replaced with metal. All the way down, replaced with metal. Fixed good. Backup camera been moved to there. That works perfect now. So I can see behind me now with the backup camera. She's doing good. I can't complain. Maybe you can see that a little bit with the light. Maybe you can't. But it's running good. Let me get a nice little cold start for y'all right quick. See how it's going. Look and sound. Hold on one second. Let me see if I can put it down. Put this down somewhere. Hold up. Look for something I can sit this phone on right quick. I ain't got no. That's broke. 1 second, y'all. 1 second. Try to get y'all a nice little cold start. Let me see. That's too low. Let me see, y'all. One second. Get y'all a cold start right quick. Hold on 1 second. know, just like with any old school, there's always something. I got an issue with my power steering pump making a little bit of noise. I'm gonna have to figure that out. That little squeaking, that's my power steering pump. But she works, she do everything like she's supposed to. Just make a kind of crazy sound. But your head is sucking, pulling air good like it's supposed to. like it's supposed to. And yeah, y'all, I drive my car. I got the battery turned off for my amps. So I got a battery, capacitor, and I got 2 amps crossover and a sub amp for my sub. Get some power. I'm gonna take her for a little ride. Once she warm up, hit y'all right back in the car. We're gonna go for a little joyride real quick and then come right back. But that's patience done. We get this quick picture. Thumbnail. But get you back, y'all, when I got a little bit more. All right, be right back. Alright, y'all, we back in here. We in the car, riding. I got the radio on, but I paused it so I don't get no copyright strikes. No, just riding. Sitting here, all the gauges gone. Just cruising. Chilly day. I do drive my car, y'all. I don't drive it often, but I do drive my car. Just ride through the neighborhood. I'm gonna run this joker up here to the shop right quick. Check this power steering pump out real quick. I don't like that noise it's making, so I'm gonna go up here right quick and check that out. But it's fun. Just cruising in the whip on a nice day. It's lovely, it's lovely, it's lovely. Flying. And you can hear this car. Y'all ride with me so y'all hear that air, y'all hear that exhaust. Just enjoying my crew. Riding at 175 on the temp. And that's on a stock radiator on the LS, y'all. I mean, it's a brand new one. But if you do it right, you don't need all that Be Cool and the Rally and all them brand names all these dudes be trying to sell you. Nah, it's just a matter of knowing what you're putting together and making it work. Shoot, that dash y'all looking at, that's the Teletronics. Appreciate them. It worked perfect. Fuel, temp, miles per hour, RPM, volts, oil, and I got a clock. I run my speedometer from the GPS joint. They set that up the way you can run it off and get the exact speed and everything that you're going, so can't beat it. Can't beat it. Like I said, radio running, everything running, all the lights, everything working, but we just sitting here chilling, cruising, in traffic. In traffic, ride. finished, but you at that point where it's like you comfortable and you can just drive your car. You ain't gotta worry about keep swapping this out, swapping that out. And like I said, with it being this LS, see the blinkers and stuff working? Everything working. With it being an LS or whatnot, you got that reliability that you would get from a modern car. With any type of engine, any type of motor, you gotta stay up on it. Keep your oil changed. Listen for different sounds. That's with any motor, especially an old car. Listen for different sounds. Get to know your car. Don't always ride with your radio up high. You'll miss something. But listen to your car. Understand your car. Do some of the wrenching yourself. And just like anything, it'll last you. I probably just added another 50, 60 years to this car with that motor. As long as I stay up on top of it. Because they make every single piece for this motor and transmission. So you done added a whole bunch of time, a whole bunch of life, and shoot, half of the parts, some of it, if you know, want to, you can go get from the junkyard, little knick-knack stuff. You can get from the junkyard. But nothing major, like internals and stuff like that. Yeah, you want to do all that right. Because everything in my internals of my engine is all aftermarket, upgraded, good stuff. Everything inside my motor is Elgin parts. Look them up if you don't know what they are. But it's a staple company, been around for longer than all these new guys. Let's say that, and they really know what they're doing. So I'm happy with the way it came out. And to all you guys who always talking crazy about LSing, I understand, and it's to each his own, but always try something once before you start talking crazy about it. If it ain't you, and you ain't did it, you don't know nothing about it. You know what I'm saying? Try it. You might like it. I got a conventional motor set up too. I like them both. I wanted to try each one so that I could say, hey, I tried it, I did it. It turned out good, turned out bad. But if you ain't never done it, I don't really know why you're doing too much talking. You know what I'm saying? I don't really know. So one thing I am gonna do is I'm probably gonna change this fuel pump that I got on here, because if you can hear it, she kind of loud. But you can change. They got the fuel pumps now that are a lot quieter than what they are right now. So I'm gonna probably do that. It's something to do. I really don't have to because she's running right. So I see them signals. Everything working, y'all. So just wanted to show y'all that your boy in traffic cruising. I'm gonna hit y'all back, man. This CJ the detail guy, man. I'm gonna get my cruise on. I'm gonna holler at y'all in a minute. I'm gone. YouTube, to get y'all a better look in the sunlight, I came up here to the shop so y'all can see it good now. Dirty, she need a bath, but y'all see it. Y'all see it, y'all see it.